We begin tonight with the long-awaited historic moment unfolding at this hour. We are all witnessing a potential turning point in the coronavirus pandemic right here in the U.S. America on the eve of its first vaccinations against COVID-19. The first vials of the Pfizer vaccine being put into place. Workers at the Pfizer plant near Kalamazoo, Michigan, taking them out of the sub-zero freezers, placing them in boxes packed with dry ice. UPS and FedEx hauling the first truckloads of the vaccine out from that plant. The first planes carrying the potential life-saving cargo landing in Louisville and Memphis. Hospitals now equipped with freezers to store the vaccine at minus 94 degrees. New York City set to begin vaccinating thousands of frontline workers beginning tomorrow. So much riding on this unprecedented vaccination effort as the U.S. nears a grim milestone. Nearly 300,000 American lives lost since the first death reported 10 months ago. Close to 3 million doses will be distributed in this first wave of vaccinations. Healthcare workers, seniors, and first responders among the first receiving the shot. It could take until late spring, early summer until the vaccine is available to everyone. ABC's Alex Perez is in Michigan to lead us off.
Tonight, D-Day, the largest immunization mission the world has ever seen, now underway. The first doses of the life-saving Pfizer vaccine on the move. And it all begins here, just outside Kalamazoo, Michigan.
It's 8:30 in the morning, and this is the moment the nation has been waiting for. Take a look behind me here. You can see the first trucks filled with the vaccine leaving the Pfizer facility, escorted by U.S. Marshals heading to airports across the country.
Inside, workers carefully packing coolers loaded with dry ice onto refrigerated carts. After 9 dark months, hope in these tiny vials, each holding 5 doses of the vaccine. Pfizer shipping 500,000 doses today. This week, shipping 2.9 million doses to all 50 states and U.S. territories. And those shipments couldn't come soon enough. Last week saw more than 3,000 reported deaths in a single day. The worst of the pandemic yet.
I think this vaccine today gives us the promise and the light at the end of that tunnel.
Pfizer President of Global Supply Mike McDermott calling this a defining moment in the nation's history.
When Pfizer took on this challenge of creating a vaccine, did you have any doubts that we would get to this day?
The speed is unprecedented, but I can assure you that the science that's gone into it, the large-scale clinical trial, the American public can be really assured of a high quality and effective vaccine.
This is a massive undertaking. Every step of the distribution process crucial. The Pfizer vaccine needs to be stored at extremely cold temperatures, negative 94 degrees Fahrenheit. Workers donning 2 layers of protective gloves to handle the trays of vaccine, each holding 195 precious vials. Wheeling the trays from freezer farms on those blue carts, cooled with dry ice. The packing stage, a carefully choreographed assembly line. The trays loaded into boxes, each can transport 975 vials. The smoke you see from the dry ice. More added at every step. The boxes stacked on these pallets, moved by forklift onto trucks, waiting to take them to the airport.
Nice job, kid.
These first doses destined for healthcare workers on the front lines, nursing home residents, and staff.
We are not done until every American has access to the vaccine. To every American that wants it, receives it.
All right, Alex Perez joins us now from outside the Pfizer plant near Kalamazoo. Alex, we know hospitals will be giving the vaccine to their staffers. How will the vaccine get to the nursing home residents who are also first in line to receive doses?
Well, Tom, each state has their own rollout plan, but we know many nursing homes have partnered with pharmacies like CVS and Walgreens to help them distribute the vaccine. They'll be setting up inoculation centers inside their nursing homes to get those high-risk residents what they need. Tom?
Alex Perez witnessing that historic rollout for us. Alex, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.